Hello everyone. So in my today's video, I'm going to cover all about the OS module in Python. Not everything exactly actually, but I will try to cover many things of OS module. First of all, just the introduction about OS module. So OS module in Python programming like provides the function for interacting with the operating system. Okay, that is the one thing. And to use this functionality and OS module, we have to write import OS. So there are some functions of OS module. It handles your current working directory means folder. It creates directory also. It lists out the files and directories. And if you are interested in deleting directory, that is also possible. Deleting folder or directory or deleting file, both are possible. So we will check one by one now. Suppose first of all, obviously import OS, that is the name of the module. And suppose you are interested in checking current working directory. So let us check the OS dot get C W and D. See, you all can see we are getting that also in that suggestion. CWD current working directory, and then print A. Okay. So now let's check the output of this program, what it is showing us. So current directory is this one. Okay. The next thing is like suppose you are interested in changing your directory, right, like one level up or something like that. So that is also possible. But here I will write that using function actually, because first what we will do, we will check the our current working directory, and then obviously it will be level up. So we will check the new path also. So import OS will remain as it is only, and we are defining one function, for example ABC, something like this. Okay. And suppose in that if I write this line only as it is, suppose here only I am writing print, and you print current working directory. Okay. And obviously I am going to call this function for the first time, that is ABC function normal. Then I'm going to change the directory, that is using chdir, and inside the round bracket I'm going to write in single quotation two times dot and then slash, and then again I will call ABC function. So two time I'm calling that ABC function. First it will print our current working directory, and then I'm changing the directory, and then again I'm calling that function. So let's see what output we are getting for this. It is showing us C current working directory is this full path again one more time, but it is a now the changing is of obviously removing from this to till here only. Okay, so likewise you can go level up by this changing directory. So you can create a directory also. You can create a directory in a two ways. Creating a directory means creating a folder in normal language. So we can have a mkdir to make a directory. That is one way. And we have one more way, make directories actually, and MAKEDIRS. Okay, both are different. See, first we will check about mkdir, because it will only create one directory. So what we will do is here only we will do some editing. First of all, import OS, that is for sure it is required. And suppose we are interested in creating folder name demo, for example, and exactly where you want to create this. Suppose in E drive, because in my computer I have a C drive and E drive actually. So inside the E drive, I am interested in creating this name folder demo. Okay. And suppose I will write now path equal to OS, that is our module name, dot path dot join. Okay. And it will join these two things. First it will be B and then comma A. That is path will be first path and then the folder which you want to add. And then obviously this is nothing but we have joined two things and saved in the variable path. Now the actually we are interested in creating directory, that is osmkdir, make a directory whatever is there in the variable path. And then obviously we are printing that directory also using the print command. Or suppose if I write print, and if I write for example A, because the folder which we are interested in creating is stored in A. So let's say what output we are getting for this. First of all, control S and run. See, we are getting the error because cannot that file is already exist. So suppose I will give some other name, demo 123, something like this. It is already there in E drive. So we'll check for that also. See, it is now created. Now let us check we are getting the output or not. Suppose in E drive, this is my E drive and folder already there, demo. So I have created demo 123 now. So this is how you can create a folder, or you can say that directory. Okay. Then meaning of the second one, that is nothing but mkdirs. Suppose I have same thing only, import os and a is equal to demo 1 2 3 4, something like this, and I want inside E drive abc folder, xyz folder, and but that's it. Inside of that, suppose if I want, suppose, but ABC folder is not there, XYZ folder is not there, and we are interested in creating demo 1 2 3 4. That is the main purpose of this. Okay, then OS path dot join B comma A will remain as it is only, and only thing is here instead of mkdir, it will be make, that is make directories. That's where dirs, and then we will print A. So what is going to happen over here is, suppose directories are not there in your computer. See, if you want, you can check also. There is nowhere ABC folder here. Nowhere. So now control S F5. See, module OS has no attributes like make or DIRS. So there is some spelling mistake. Did you mean, okay, just 1 minute. I think some spelling mistake is there. It is like because of this MAKE and again K is there. So actually a spelling mistake only. Okay, make directors. Control S. See, it is showing demo 1 2 3 4. Now let us check first of all program. It is inside E drive ABC, XYZ and demo 1 2 3 4. Let's check. See, ABC is created. See, XYZ is created, and inside that demo 1 2 3 4 is also created. So make directories will create multiple directories, and make directory will create only one directory. Now suppose you are interested in listing out all the things of E drive. Suppose right now in E drive we have some folders and we have some files, and you are interested in listing out only the file and folder of that. So what we can do is, first of all, we will remove this because we are not interested in creating, and we are interested in displaying all about E drive. So I am writing B is equal to E drive. Okay, then I will write, suppose C is equal to OS dot. So to list out directories and everything, we have list dir. That is the command. And inside the bracket, obviously E drive, the double quotation, we have stored in B. And now we will print C only, and we will remove this line also because we do not want to make any directories right now. So control S. See, you all can see there are so many files. See, ABC folder, this second semester folder, then some files, again logo, etc. So it will only display or list out everything. Now next thing is you can delete directory also, that is folder I mean to say, and delete a file also. Okay, so using os.remove, we can remove files, and using os.rmdir, that is a remove directory, you can remove the folder also. Suppose if I have a ABC folder, then XYZ folder, demo 1 2 3 folder, and here I have new, and I can say file, and xyz.txt, some name I've given, that is empty file only, just for understanding purpose only. Suppose if I write import OS, okay, then I have one variable where I have my file name which I want to delete, xyz.txt. That is one thing. And next thing is location, that file is exactly in which location. So let me just copy paste the path also, this full path, see that C drive and everything in double quotation. Okay, so it is E drive and we will use this kind of slash actually, and inside of this that file is there inside E drive abc xyz demo 1 2 3 4, and then obviously we will write path equal to os dot path dot, and we will write join. Okay, and join obviously we will write b comma a. So first of all it will join these two things, and then we will remove using os dot remove and path control s. So we are removing xyz dot x. See, nothing has appeared over here, means no error also. Let us check the output also. See, inside abc xyz demo 1 2 the file is deleted, this folder is empty now. So this is how you can remove a file. And suppose you are interested in removing a directory, for example demo 1 2 3 4 we are interested in removing. Okay, so suppose we are interested in removing demo 1 2 3 and 4, and that is inside of xyz. Okay, control s, and obviously we do not have to use remove, but we have to use rmdir, which will remove directory, not the file. And one more thing, if your folder is not empty it will raise an error. So if your folder is empty, then only it will remove that folder or directory. See, again nothing has come. Okay, so we will check from here. So if I go here, it is showing that some spelling mistake. Okay, that means in E drive we have ABC, we have XYZ, but inside XYZ now we do not have anything. See here, this path is there, but this folder is now missing, deleted. So this is how you can remove also. So I think that is all. Actually you can say not exactly all about OS, because there are so many things related to OS, but some of the things related to OS is this only, like creating removing directory, removing file, creating directory, creating multiple directories, then obviously get a current working directory, level up for your current working directory, and all means changing the directory and all that things. Okay, then list out the files and directories. Okay, thank you everyone.